Welcome to our YouTube channel Byte Boost. I hope you all are doing great. And if you are new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe our channel so that whenever we'll upload the video, you will get the notification. Now, without any delay, let's jump into the topic, that is editing. Now, in the editing, there are some functions which we need to know, that is fill function, clear function, sort and filter, find and select. Now first we will see if we would like to create the same values in the next column, how we can do it without any formula. Simply you need to select this column till this J20, and simply you can go to the fill and click right button. So as you can see, once you will click that fill button, simply it will create a replica of this I column's values. Now in between, if we would like to create any values, for example, I just would like to create, let me delete this. So if I would like to create new account values in this E column, simply I have to select this column till E20, and you can go to the fill, select right. Immediately it will pop up the same values of this D column. Now I just would like to create the same values to the bottom. So now I'll select this row and I'll go to the fill and I'll choose this down. So as you can see, all the values which were in this 20 row is got filled in this 21 row. Now again, if we'll go to the fill, and if we can do the same with this headers, if we just would like to fill this headers on the third row, simply you can click on the up. So as you can see, it's got pasted the same value which we have in this row. Now we do have something called series. Now this is pretty much interesting function. So now if I'll select 1 and 2, and I just would like to get this values fill till last, I'll just select this one till here, and I'll go to the fill and go to the series, and I'll select autofill and just I click OK. So as you can see, till the last we do have this 62. Now again, if you'd like to fill this, so we have to go to this fill option, and let's say if I just would like to limit this, let me delete this first, all these values, and I'll choose this one till here, and I limit this series to growth till 10. Let's see what happened. So nothing has happened. The reason is it will only work with autofill. Now again, if we will go here and go to the series and we will click auto, let's check this one once again. Let me select till 10 and autofill and OK. So now as you can see, that function trend that is not working, because autofill will take the values till the cell which you have selected. In this case we have selected till 19, so it has taken the values till 19. So for an example, if we will delete this one and we only select this for this till here, and again we will go and click on series and click on autofill. So let's see what happens. So it only selects till 10. So I hope you understood how you can use this series function. So just use this trend ones. So for an example, let me use this trend till 10 and let's see what happens. It's showing till 10 only. Now let's increase this one till 17 and again I'll select this one till 17 and I'll go to the series and I'll select 17. Now let's see what happens. So as you can see here, this value has been filled till 16. So likewise, if you want to fill the entire column with your certain values, for example, you have 30,000 data, 20,000 data, so you can use this. So how you can do this? So simply you can use this function, and for example you want to go to the H column and let's say 3000. So here we are in H column. As you can see, this is the 3000. So now let's get back to the first column, so that is A1, and this is the first cell, first column. Now again, if I just would like to copy this one and let me paste it here, and like to justify whatever you have written on the different rows, so we do have the option where you can justify like in the Word. So simply if you will select this and if you will try to justify it, so this example it will do nothing, but once you will select this column along with this column, and again if you will select justify, so as you can see it will get justified. So this is how justify work. For example, if you have written on different rows the description or something and you want to justify it, so simply you select two columns and then you click on justify, then it will automatically justify it. Now if I'll get back to the previous format, now again I just would like to go here, and this is something called flash fill. So what flash fill will do, for example if I'll click, it will show me some notification. So how I can use this flash fill? So simply how flash fill work is, let's say Instagram is good, Facebook is okay, Vidmate is okay, and then LinkedIn is excellent. Okay, so likewise if I'll fill this till here, so now what I want to do is, for an example this is our first name and this is our second name. Okay, so I want to just add this first name with second name. It should be like Instagram good. Now again if I write Facebook, so as you can see flash fill is giving us option to mix this first name with second name. If I'll press enter, so as you can see automatically it will show up with first name with second name. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe this channel so that you will get the notification once we upload the video. That's all for this video. If there is anything you have doubt or queries, you can simply reach us out on our mail ID. Thank you for watching video. Have a good day.